One has been done at 100.
Yes.
Okay, next N.
Can you press P to go previous? No?
No,
No, okay, just next.
unfortunately.
Okay, that's the finish.
Yeah, so you see this one 300. So we went from here to there at 300.
Okay.
Next. And now you see we use the regular speed.
Okay, is that just because it's the edge?
If you can you put the on the front view, top view, then like this. Okay, so if you zoom, so the first pass, in fact, the blade will remove probably maybe all of this stone because it is the first pass. Okay, then on the second one it just remove the difference between the two different tool paths. So the first one, very often you remove more material, that's why you have to slow down the speed. So if you forget this, normally it's fine, but the best is to add this.
And would you do it at the end, the last pass?
No, because each step remove the same amount of material. The first one maybe more. That's why.
And we're
So
talking between like 8 mils and 7.5 mils. Is that what you're talking about? Like the first pass is going to take off 8 mils because that's the thickness of the. Oh, no, this is the finishing, eh?
In fact, probably the.
Are we finishing right now?
Maybe I can show you if you do the verification. Maybe you can see it in the verification. Run the verification on this one, yes. Okay. So just turn in 3D to see if we see the block. Okay, maybe turn the opposite here. More or less close to the front face. No, back on the other way, like this. Okay, so go and do hand. Next, start and say next. Okay. Oh. So the first pass, you see, we take all of this. Okay. Because we start here, but the blade, so you can restart. So the first step, you see, we take the material from here to here. Okay. Next. Okay, and next. Okay. The second one, you see, we just remove already this, so it just remove the difference with the two steps. That's why only the first one get a lot. But if you forget, it's no big deal. The machine can do it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Good.
Good. And then, so the only other thing would be.
If you want to do this one, maybe we have to go with the blade.
This way.
Yes. You can.
Or you think on an angle.
Yes, so this is the most difficult to do, but we can try it. We can check the machine accuracy, because if diameter and length are not perfect adjust, then maybe you will hit this or go too deep over there or not deep enough. So, but maybe we can do the test.
We could do a test and see if it takes a little checkout or something.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's going to be a single.
You have to create a new orientation, but select this one, yes.
Yeah, single cut.
Yeah. New orientation, yeah. So, not necessary to, because in the list you all the time have the 0, 0. The first one is all the time 0, 0.
Right, so what?
The only thing to do is to give the C-axis orientation.
Yeah, so if I bring my thing over.
Yeah. So for that face,
My
that's
guard,
fine.
yeah, 'cause my guard's on the back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So, and start. So you can use crossing point. It's better in this case. Delete this one. Oh, you could use this one, but okay. Select this one. Same level.
Right, and that's gonna be exterior of the blade, with
Yeah.
the motors above. Yeah,
Okay.
that's right.
And draw the box out of the zone and down, down. But normally you won't do anything because there is nothing to do on the face. But, okay. Yeah.
So that's fine, cause
Yeah.
it's inside the box,
Mm.
okay? And then I need to double check.
Mm.
That's fine. This
Yeah.
is fine, because we're using crossing points.
Yeah, because you copy. So.
0.3 is fine, one way is fine, okay.
So zoom this.
So it did a little bit.
Yeah, because of the size of the blade,
Yeah, I can't do much,
so it doesn't help a lot
No.
in this case.
no. So, and there's no other kind of tool, you'd have to pick a different blade, like a thinner blade or something,
Yeah.
but it's easier to do it by hand, to be honest, at that point, like it's.
You need to keep a little for the stonemasons.
Yeah, okay, well, that'll be interesting to see what that looks like.
But we can run it anyway to see if we have the good accuracy in the machine.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can now generate the ISO code.
Yes, yeah, what I'd like to do is just give some names to this.
I go to see if they are ready or not.
Okay. Sometimes I'm trying to like rename it, you know, and it. Rename, there we go. Okay, so this first cut was, okay, so these are my plunge cuts. Okay, that's fine.
So, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
How did you get, so I missed a step and then I got behind and it couldn't catch up.
Yeah.
So, how do I get from here to my first cuts? Like I think I have to change the feed rate here,
Okay, yeah,
which is
1,000.
1,000. And so how do I get to the first cut is my question.
Okay, so the ones I just named, the plunge cuts?
Yeah.
Okay, so we used those, what are they called? Interior and exterior crossing points.
Right, so I did a couple of those.
Okay. So it looks like right now your saw is oriented
The wrong way.
the wrong way too.
Okay,
So, but the crossing, or in that one, right there, yeah. So,
So we need a couple of crossing points there,
There.
right? So there.
maybe a point, make sure it's a point, go up a little bit, there you go, okay. And another one,
Here.
yes. And that's it.
And
'Cause
that's it?
these are arcs that we don't have
Yeah.
point
Okay.
on. Okay, and then,
So that's good.
so that's good.
so I won't do those. It looks like you're, yeah, let's go back and look and see what other sides there are in there. So just
It's
close
closest.
that, yeah. Okay, and then go to NC operations. Okay, so, what, that was the first one? Is that where you just put the points? Or which one? You have two operations here.
I don't know, I'll get rid of this one maybe.
Sure.
Just seems a little thin. Okay.
So double click on that. Alright, so let's go into your points and see if that's where you put your points. Yes, good. Those are your 2 points. Fine. Let's go up into, let's do your orientation first. Cause I found if you do your box and then you change the orientation, the box moves. So, this is where, if you zoom out, that's it. Bring your blade in by clicking that bottom guy and then bring your cursor over. Okay, so that's what the saw is doing. So if you bring it down a little bit. So what that says to me, you see this shield back here?
Mm-hmm.
That's where the guard is.
Mm-hmm.
So your open part of the blade is
Okay.
good if you want to cut that way, but you don't want to cut that way. You want to cut vertically.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we need to change the, what is this? This is 0, 0. So this is a bit trial and error. I don't fully understand this, but if you go plus and then create a face, yes, I want to